Alrighty guys, so y'all heard that, y'all saw that last hashtag short video, heard the noise. Remember guys, what we talked about doing that short video outside here, most of it on the bank 2, which is just said right here. This side here was already done guys. So remember guys, this is what begs the question, should you replace all of them? Now this time going in with all of them on bank 2. I've already done bank 1. Okay, that's all they approved guys. It wasn't my call, so please don't dog me out in the comment section. But you as a DIY mechanic or whatever, if you over, I don't know, 50-60,000 miles, it might be best to just go ahead and do them all guys, because I think they done revising these. We up to AH right now, and it's been AH for a while now, so I'm almost certain they done revising them. They done got as good as they gonna get. So it's safe to say once you put these on, you should never need them again. And that's IMO in my opinion. Alright, so I got a lot of work to do. I got some rockers, and I got now I remember guys, it's making a ticking noise. I don't know if it need cams. I took a chance. Alright, so if it do, because it's warranty, I just have to go up and oh yeah, go ahead and give me a cam. But I didn't want to have to spend time turning it down to verify for sure. It may need one, it may not. We won't know until we get it apart. That's why blind estimates can get you in trouble guys. So try to steer clear of blind estimate. If you want to be accurate with your estimate, it would have been wise for you to take this apart, take both valve covers off, and visually look at the camshafts, okay? Because that's the only way you can tell. All right, we take a chance. Now I had a way I use based off the sound of the tick. If it's a hardcore thud type tick, yes, camshaft lobes are wearing, but I've been wrong. So yes, it's really no surefire way. It all depends on you just need to check it. It's called teardown time. But I got work to do guys. I'll try to post up. Y'all done saw this before man, so ain't no need me recording it. Tell you what I do, I'll fire the camera back up when I get the valve cover off. Okay, remember I can't remember what year this is, but it's well over 150,000 miles. They had some kind of service contract. It might have been Chrysler service contract. They only let me replace what's broken, but I did manage to get all 12 on this side. Okay, yes, it was like 1 or 2 broken, but it's my call, it's my discretion. I can basically say all 12 of them on this side was broke. I find it ridiculous to just do 1 or 2 on one head. If you're gonna do a particular head, go ahead and do them all on that one head. I mean, let's lose some common sense, man. Warranty companies. All right, anyway, I didn't get to do none of these because it wasn't loud over here. Now let's get this thing apart guys. Stay tuned, I'm gonna fire the camera back up later. Alrighty guys, got the valve cover off. Now let's do the patent JT field test. Find out exactly. If I had to guess, I would say this one right here, because looking at this, look at that. Y'all see that that load? Oh yeah, right there. That was making my ticking noise. Yep. Ticky 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 ticky, that right there. So it's on the exhaust side. Well, I need a camshaft. Let's take a closer look at these cams once I get them off. All right, but for now let me disassemble guys. Remember, I'm against you guys doing this without the special tool. Me, I don't need this tool, but I'm not going to film me doing it without the tool. That would be irresponsible and reckless of me to do that. That's sending the wrong message. So I'm not going to film me taking the timing off, but I suggest if you're going to do this to use the proper tools. All right, please, because you can get in a jam, bring top dead center up, and go from there. And by the way, this is not a tutorial video. I'm just filming what I'm doing. I know a lot of you guys, you didn't show me how to do. It's not a tutorial guys. I'm just blogging or vlogging what I'm doing. Okay, so please don't get. I have a video on this explaining it in depth in a tutorial manner. All right, I will direct you out to that video right here. That's bank 2, and this video right here is bank 1. Okay, so you can watch both of those. I get in depth on what I'm doing on that video. All right, but for now, let me tear this valve train part, and let's get cracking, guys. All right, let's get it. Alrighty, guys. I had to stop for a minute, guys. I'm gonna tell you why. So I'm in the process of you see, I got this cam phase off, getting ready to take this. I need to get these cams off, but in the process of removing the rocker or the caps, these are extremely tight. You can see this is broke. my bit broke off in there. Okay, and I got to this one. It's super tight. Here's what the damage. Y'all see the damage on my. It won't focus, but yeah, that's damage. So I went and borrowed my buddies. Now this is a cheapo, guys. That's why I say make sure you use a high quality torque bits. I went to get my buddies. He said he only have 1/4 inch and it's long, but it's lifetime warranty. That's the first thing I asked him, was a lifetime warranty. He said yeah, but when I got ready to put it down there and turn it, it felt like it was about to snap, and I don't want to break it just because I know it's lifetime warranty. So I went to my other buddy, and he owed me a couple of loans. I don't forget nothing. When people borrow stuff from me, I don't forget. When I need something, I need it. So I don't know what's the name on this. ADV, I don't know, but I'm about to put it to use. Okay, I got to get a magnet. Yeah, my end broke off in there. Let me grab a magnet. Alright, I was able to get most of it out of there. Now, I got to get these caps off, guys. That's the only way the camshaft going. See, it says the T30, but look at that looseness. There's too much play. If it's a T30, damn it, it needs to be tight. I might need to go in with new cap bolts, but for now, oh God, let me see if I can get these out of here, guys. Hold tight. Ooh, well, guys, bad news for me. Y'all see this? This one is stripped. I can't. Regular T30 will not get in there and just round it out, guys. So I'm not sure how I'm gonna get that out. I've already started hitting on it right here. Probably take a pry bar, not a pry bar, a chisel, and go right there. Try to bang it till it turns. I don't know. I'm open for suggestions, but that's the only other option we have. So in fact, it won't turn. That whole center hole is rounded out, guys. Man, why does this shit happen to me? So let me grab my hammer and see if I can. I already got a little indentation right there. The goal is to make it turn counterclockwise to come off. Let me see what I can do, guys. Hold tight. Woo! Yes! Got it, guys. Alright, guys. I'm going to say this again. Always use a real good T30. Okay? I don't care if you got to get a snap-on that costs $50. Alright? Quality is what matters when it comes to this. Okay? So don't skip on quality when it comes to a socket bit. For this, all right, the first one I used was cheap and it bent it. Okay, cheap aluminum, and it bent it, and it caused some of the threads in here, not the threads, but some of the fittings in here to be compromised. All right, so yes, if you don't do nothing else, make sure you get a good T30. All right, guys, that's all I have. Well, I wanted to show y'all. I'm so frustrated now. I don't even know if I can continue filming. I'll just make this a shorts video. All right, let me get finished with this. Oh my goodness, let me get finished with this valve job. This is the broken one, guys. I can almost guarantee you these needle bearings that used to be in here. Oh, I see a few, but the remaining ones are in the oil pan. In fact, watch this video right here. I'm show y'all what I'm talking about. So if you likely need to go in that oil pan and get these out so they will not circulate throughout your lubrication system again. But this is why this 3.6 Pentastar was ticking. Alright, could be more, but I found the culprit, so I'm going to replace this. and that exhaust camshaft. Let's talk about this camshaft for a minute. Ooh, well, guys, there you have it. All right, I'm putting all the stuff, air cleaner box and everything back on, but the tick is now gone, guys. This is the one. Well, y'all know what this is. Yeah, I'm gonna put all these little crazy clips back in place. Put the purge valve back in place. Put the air cleaner on. Now, guys, what I'm gonna do is I have an option on my scan tool. I can clean these phasers. Okay, I'm going to relearn cam and crank. Okay, there's some things I'm not just automatically done. All right, number one, you gotta verify. I can verify that the ticking is gone from a verbal sound standpoint. Okay, that's going, but I don't want to just give this back to the customer. I will relearn cam and crank. Remember, I just disrupted cam. Okay, so I'm going to relearn that via the computer. I'm going to reset adaptive memories, guys. Okay, and I'm going to clean the cam phaser. Okay, watch this video right here while I talk about cleaning cam phaser. That is an option on the particular scan tool that I use. You guys, y'all scan tool may not have that option. I don't know, but so, and then I'm gonna go wash it up, guys. Last but not least, I'm gonna steam clean it. What's the point of running and sounding new if you're gonna look old and dirty? So I'm gonna go to the detail department, clean it, degrease it, clean it all down. When they get it back, it's gonna look and pearl like a kitten. Guys, that's all I have, man. I appreciate y'all tuning in to these videos. Thanks for watching.